In Goa, when we talk about traditional land and agriculture, one word you will often hear is Kulagar. But what exactly is a Kulagar and why it's so important to Goan culture and history? Let's find out. What is Kulagar? In Goan Konkani language, Kulagar mainly refers to a plantation or garden land, especially land planted with coconut, arecanut, mango, cashew, jackfruit, and other traditional trees. It's not just a farm. A Kulagar is usually a mixed plantation where many trees grow together naturally. In English, there is no exact single word translation for Kulagar. It is best described as a plantation, orchard, or tree garden depending on the crops grown. Sometimes it can also be called an agroforestry plantation because different trees grow together. Traditionally, Kulagars were the backbone of Goan village life. They provide food, income, shade, building materials, and livelihood. In old times, Kulagars were also connected to the Kulagar Munkar system where Munkars lived and worked on Kulagar land. Today, many Kulagars still exist across Goa, especially in villages. However, due to urbanization and land conversion, many Kulagars are disappearing. Protecting Kulagars means protecting Goa's ecology, heritage, and sustainable way of life. So, a Kulagar is not just a land with trees, it is a living part of Goa's history and environment. Thank you.